வாங்க மக்களே, எனக்கு கிளி பரோட்டா சாப்பிடணும்னு தோணுச்சுன்னு சொன்னோன்னே என்னோட ட்வின் எனக்கு $25 கொடுத்தாங்க. அதை செலவு பண்ணலாம். This is Talapati biryani. Eating after a while actually. Spicy but good. The chili paratha is not exactly like Tamil Nadu style. I think it's Andhra style, but still it's good. Finally, we ate at Paratha Palace. We all really enjoyed the food, but we have to be warned, it's really spicy. Apart from that, the food is great. So see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.